Good morning, everyone. It's Mrs. Larrabee. Today I would like to share with you a new tool that I learned about. It's called the Immersive Reader. It's through Microsoft 365. Every teacher and student has access to Microsoft 365. You have access to through your DOE login if it's not on your home computer. I'm going to give you an example right now. When you log on, you're going to go right through Office 365. You'll see where we usually sign on through Outlook. We're going to log into Word. When you go into Word, you can click on New Document, or you can pull up another Word document that you already have. I wrote down the sentence, "The dog ran down the street," so I could model this tool for you. You're going to go up to the word View. Click on the word View. You'll see the tool, the Immersive Reader, come up. Click on Immersive Reader. As you can see, it enlarged it, spaced it out a little bit. Students and adults will have the opportunity to read it aloud.
The dog ran down the street.
Okay. If you look in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a book. Click on the book. You'll see a set of options that pop up. Line focus is your first option. Turn on line focus. You can see it'll highlight your paper line by line. You also have the option to do a larger section. When you turn off the line focus, I would like you to leave on Picture Dictionary, go down a little further, and choose a language you would like your document translated into. I chose Spanish. But as you can see, there are a variety of different languages available. If you leave it on Word, by word, go over to the sentence. I'll click on the word dog. It will translate to the language that I chose. And the student or the adult could either click on
Dog.
English version,
Perro.
Spanish version, and then it will give you the visual, the picture dictionary. Go back to the book again. And now I'd like to turn on Translate the Entire Document. And you can see it translated the entire sentence for me. And it will read aloud for me in Spanish.
El perro corrió por la calle.
Okay. If I need to, I can go back to the original version. So adult or student can go back and forth from the two different versions. I thought this was a really interesting tool. I'm really excited about trying to implement it in my lessons, and I hope you can find it valuable also. Please feel to reach out to me anytime, either through Dojo, email, or text. Have a great day, everyone.